Welcome. This video is a must-watch for PHP developers working with MySQL in XAMPP. If you have encountered the frustrating issue of MySQL unexpectedly shutting down, disrupting your development workflow, this content is tailored especially for you. MySQL shutdown in XAMPP are a common challenge that many PHP developers face during their development journey. In this walkthrough, we will be addressing the prevalent issue head-on, providing invaluable troubleshooting steps to keep your MySQL server running smoothly. So, as you can see, the error message that we can see here is MySQL shut down unexpectedly. So the first thing that you need to do is click on the Explorer option here. Then the root directory of your XAMPP server opens. Here you will search for the MySQL folder, double click on it. Then you see for a file called data. So I have this file here, folder here, sorry, and then I rename it to data old. After renaming this folder, I create a new file called data. Then I press enter. Yeah. Next, I open the backup folder. I select all the files. I copy it and move to the data folder, newly created data folder. I paste it in here. Everything gets pasted here. Then I move back. Then we will move on to the old data folder and copy all of the databases that we have created. Remember, we won't select performance schema, phpMyAdmin and MySQL folder. Leaving them, we will copy all of the databases that we had created. So I'll just copy them and paste it in my data folder. It says that the destination has 128 files with the same name. We have to replace the file in the destination. Just click on this option. The number might vary for your computer, so don't worry about it. I replace them. Okay, now the last step is to go to your data old folder and copy the ibdata1 file and paste it in the newly created data folder. Now let's try our XAMPP server. Now let us try to start both Apache and MySQL. I click on Apache, it starts successfully, and when I click on start MySQL, it also starts successfully. It says status change detected, running.